In a recent social media buzz, a striking photograph from Zimbabwe's Government of National Unity (GNU) era has sparked intriguing speculation about the future of the country's leadership. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The image features Emmerson Mnangagwa, the current ZANU-PF leader, alongside Advocate Nelson Chamisa, a prominent figure in the opposition. This snapshot, now resurfacing, has prompted discussions about the potential handover of power from Mnangagwa to Chamisa before the year 2028. Nelson Chamisa's reflection on the photograph during his recent statement added fuel to the speculative fire. "Greetings family, I just bumped into this one during the GNU days," he remarked, suggesting nostalgia for a pivotal period in Zimbabwe's political history. In today's news, there is symbolism of Zimbabwe's political future, which is Mnangagwa to hand over power to Nelson Chamisa. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.